Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best router table combo is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any serious woodworker, offering unparalleled precision and control for a wide range of woodworking tasks, from creating intricate edges and decorative moldings to routing precise dados and rabbets, ultimately transforming your woodworking projects from ordinary to extraordinary with ease and efficiency. Number 5. Bosch RA1181 Router Table. This benchtop router table offers a large work surface and is built to last. Its durable aluminum construction ensures precision and stability for all your routing projects. It boasts a large aluminum top, giving you plenty of room to work comfortably. This design makes it ideal for various routing tasks. The pre-drilled aluminum mounting plate is compatible with many routers and allows for easy height adjustments. This ensures you have the perfect setup for your project. The extra tall aluminum fence, with adjustable faceplates and feather boards, maximizes precision and versatility. You'll achieve clean, accurate cuts every time. It features a dedicated dust collection port that fits standard 2 to 1 2-inch vacuum hoses. This keeps your workspace clean and efficient. The adjustable feather boards provide additional guidance and kickback protection, enhancing your safety while routing. It also includes an accessory slot for added functionality. It has a built-in storage pocket for your router accessories and a cord wrap to keep the power cord organized. This keeps your workspace neat and tidy. What we like. It boasts a large, sturdy aluminum top for a spacious work area and ensures precision. If you need a robust and accurate router table for demanding projects, this is the one for you. Its durable build and precise design make it ideal for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. What people say. Easy to assemble. Works great. Another quality product by Bosch. Really like the ease of turning it on with your shop vac or dust extractor. The table surface left some mar on the wood I was using, but nothing that wasn't easy to sand out. I imagine that this will go away as the table surface gets used. This is a very good router table and the fence works well too. The work surface, table dimensions, are quite large for a benchtop router table. Much larger than another Craftsman one that I have. The tabletop is very flat on mine. Two things I like about the top are that it is machined aluminum and that it is not corrugated or grooved on the top in line with the router opening, so it is stable and easy to slide the work on. Number 4. Bosch RA1141 Router Table. This is the new Bosch RA1141 router table. It's ultra-portable and easy to set up, perfect for any job site. It features folding legs for quick setup and compact storage, making it ideal for on-the-go use. You'll appreciate its space-saving design. Changing bits is a breeze with its easy click mounting system. No more time-consuming leveling adjustments. The laminated MDF top ensures smooth and accurate cuts every time. It's built for precision and durability. Keep your bits and spare parts organized with its onboard storage. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. It comes fully assembled, so you can start routing right away. No assembly required, just plug and play. The tall fence with adjustable feather boards gives you extra control and guidance during operation. It helps you achieve professional results. The starter pin and guard make routing curves easier and safer. It provides added stability and control. The bistro height gauge makes bit setup simple and precise, leading to enhanced cut accuracy. It ensures consistent, high-quality results. What we like. Its portability and quick setup are game changers. If you're a contractor or frequently move your workspace, this is perfect. The ease of use and precise cuts make it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists on the go. What people say. Easy to assemble. Works great. Another quality product by Bosch. Really like the ease of turning it on with your shop vac or dust extractor. The table surface left some mar on the wood I was using, but nothing that wasn't easy to sand out. I imagine that this will go away as the table surface gets used. The work surface, table dimensions, are quite large for a benchtop router table. Much larger than another Craftsman one that I have. The tabletop is very flat on mine. Two things I like about the top are that it is machined aluminum and that it is not corrugated or grooved on the top in line with the router opening, so it is stable and easy to slide the work on. Number 3. Bosch 1617 EVSPK Router Combo Kit. This combo kit includes a powerful plunge and fixed base router, perfect for any woodworking project. It's versatile and easy to use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Let's take a closer look at what's included. You'll find the router itself, along with a convenient benchtop router table for added stability and control. The included benchtop router table features adjustable featherboards for precise work, a dust collection port to keep your workspace clean, and a dual outlet switch for safety. It boasts a 12-amp, 2-to-1 4-horsepower motor, providing ample power for various tasks. Its variable speed control allows you to adjust the speed from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM for optimal performance. It offers microfine depth adjustments for precise cuts and a soft start feature for smooth operation. The aluminum fence and router mounting plate ensure stability and accuracy. With its robust design and versatile features, it's ready to tackle your most demanding projects. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This is a complete kit that includes both a high-performance router and a sturdy router table. If you're starting out or upgrading your tools, this bundle offers excellent value. The variable speed control and powerful motor make it versatile for various woodworking tasks. What people say. Plenty of power to go through oak, 1-4 and 1-2 collets, solid base, plunge base, and storage case to store guides and a selection of router bits. The build quality is solid, with a robust feel that gives confidence, even during heavier jobs. Precision is excellent. Adjustments are smooth and easy to make, allowing for detailed work and clean, professional-looking edges. This Bosch tool is very well built, has excellent torque and speed control, and with the additional fixed base can handle a variety of jobs. Number 2. SKIL RT1323-01 Router Kit. This kit combines power and precision for all your routing needs. It's perfect for both large and small projects. The router table features above-the-table adjustment, bit storage, and featherboards for accurate routing. It makes even the most intricate cuts easy. This powerful router boasts a 10-amp motor, soft start, and speed control for smooth operation. It's built for efficiency and precision. The tall, wide fence and adjustable featherboards provide stability and control when working with large pieces of stock. It simplifies the routing process. From heavy routing to fine details, this kit has everything you need to complete your projects with precision and ease. Get professional results every time. Upgrade your workshop with this versatile and powerful kit. It's the perfect tool for any woodworking enthusiast. What we like. It features a powerful motor for smooth and accurate routing. If you need a reliable tool for heavy-duty routing tasks, this is a great option. The tall fence and precise routing capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of projects. What people say. The feathering blocks included very helpful for holding wood in place while routing edges. Tabletop made of unsealed MDF is perfectly flat, but will certainly deform over time with humidity. Fence is made of plastic, but is perfectly square. Router has reasonable power and even has a nice dust post and opposing dust shield. The table and fence are laminate-covered MDF, very solid. The router absolutely has the power. The router also has a quick adjust feature allowing you to drop or raise the body quickly by pushing a button, then dial in hour height with the geared adjuster. This makes swapping out bits much easier. Number 1. SKIL SRT 1039 Router Table. This is the SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table. It's designed for precision routing and includes convenient features to make your woodworking projects easier. Easily access your router bits with its innovative above-table adjustment. No more struggling to reach underneath. Keep your bits organized and protected with the dual-sided, integrated bit storage case. It's a quick latch system for easy access. It features a flat aluminum miter gauge slot, an aluminum mounting plate, and a secure router clamp for accurate and durable routing. Plus, it includes 2 featherboards for added safety and control. The large, adjustable aluminum fence provides ample support for taller workpieces. The MDF face plates and starter pin ensure smooth operation. These adjustable featherboards attach to the fence and table for extra guidance and kickback protection. They're easy to use and adjust. The router clamp allows for easy access to tools attached underneath the table. This simplifies tool changes and maintenance. What we like. The above table router lift and integrated bit storage are incredibly convenient. If you value ease of use and organization, this is the best choice. The convenient features and precise routing capabilities make it perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. What people say. Adjusting router height from the top is worth every penny for this baby. Easy awesome for small shop, some plastic for sure. But for the weekender on a budget, great stuff. The router is good, solidly built with nice features like the variable speed control, and variable cutter height adjustment, and a quick detachment, which is nice when attached to the table. This router table is well built and easy to assemble. The size storage is great, but could benefit with more shelves and hooks. The fence on the table is easy to adjust. I like the tracks for mounting the featherboards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.